Okay, hi, welcome. Today I'm just going to teach you guys a really simple way to do binary arithmetic. If you've got an exam coming up or something, this is how you do it. It's really simple. So basically computers can only read ones and zeros, which is like ons and off. One is on, O is off, that kind of thing. So the computer will read in binary code. So this is an example if we're converting a decimal number to binary code. So I did 12. So I make this chart every single time. It just makes it really easy. And so basically, in that chart, underneath the number, if that number is going into the number that you're making, then you can put a 1 under it. If not, just leave it as a 0. So 12 doesn't have 128 in it, so that's 0. 64, still no. 32, still no. 16, still no. 8, yes. So now we have 8. What do we have left to put into 12? So we just need to put in 4 more. And look, we've got a 4 there, we add a 4, and now we've already made 12, so we don't need any 2's or 1's. Great, so the binary code for 12, you don't need to add all the zeros before, so the binary code for 12 is 1100. Pretty simple. Let's do one more, let's do 57. So I'm just making my chart again, and this chart can still go higher if you've got like a really big number. So you just need to multiply the last number, so we've got 128, you multiply that by 2 and that'll be your next one. So 57, we have 0 for 128, we've got 0 for 64, 32, we add a 32, 16, yup, 8, yes, and then we don't need a 4, we don't need a 2, and then we add 1 so that we can get to the 7. Right, so does that make sense? What we're doing is adding up all these numbers together, so we've got 32, plus 16, plus 8, plus 1. So once you add that all together, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that makes 57. So the binary code for 57 would be 111001. And let's do this the reverse way. So let's say that the code that you're given is 01101100. That's good, sure, let's try that. And so we've got a 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Great, so we can add a 64, we can add 32, not 16, we add an 8, we add a 4, and then no 2 and 1. So 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, and then we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the decimal number for this line of binary code is 108. So I hope that made it easy to understand. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!